First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, today, I wish I had warmer news for you, but unfortunately, it's going to stay bitterly cold as Arctic air is locked in now over the eastern half of the United States. It's that troughiness, that polar jet that continues to hang down over the eastern U.S. We don't see any real signs of that changing. Even though we'll warm up a little bit for the weekend, it is going to be unsettled. Right now, as we take a look from live Doppler radar, we're seeing a clear sky this morning and only 20 degrees. As we check temperatures, though, there are colder areas than that. Mostly upper teens, even though you head down to, say, the Lake Cumberland, Dale Hollow Lake areas. We're seeing a couple of 12-degree readings this morning around the Burkesville, Albany area. Everybody else upper teens to low 20s. You throw in just a little bit of a wind out of the southeast at 5 to 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that produces single-digit wind chills. Like Greenville, it's 8 is what it feels like this morning, and you step outside, it feels like 6 in Hardinsburg, 7 in E-Town. Feels like it's 6 in Campbellsville, Burkesville, and Albany. Feels like 10 right now in Bowling Green. Green River Lake, that's our hometown forecast pinpoint for today. Campbellsville, Taylor County, you may get to 31. That's not even the freezing mark today. 30 for Greensburg and 31 for Columbia. The Saturday night Powerball jackpot drawing estimated to be at $60 million. The next Mega Millions drawing a whopping $216 million. Looking live from Doppler Cam, we're seeing a clear sky this morning from our vantage point here on Russellville Road in Bowling Green. It is going to be a beautiful day, but still on the cold side, as you might expect. 20 right now, but it feels like it's 9 thanks to that west-southwesterly wind coming in at 10 miles per hour. Notice the single-digit dew point temperatures right now. That's going to play a role in, along with the winds later today, in an elevated fire danger across the area. We'll talk more about that in just a second. Russellville, you're starting out clear this morning from our AAA Systems weather cam on the square. You're at 18 currently. Franklin in Simpson County, you're at 19 from the Mesonet site. And current temperatures around the region showing teens, 20s, even as far south as the land of Dixie. Feeling the chilly air this morning that far south. We're 2 degrees colder than we were yesterday at this hour. Notice the warm up here off to the north and west of us. This is in advance of the warmer air that will be coming in over the next couple of days after today. Then there's more Arctic air to come. We're not done with the Arctic air just yet, even though the calendar says we're going from February to March. Mother Nature's not paying attention just yet. We have some lake effect snows with an upper level system that's swinging through that part of the country, and that front is actually going to pass through the Bowling Green area later this morning. No clouds with this. Really no precipitation until you go further north. It is only going to ramp up the winds a little bit and reinforce Arctic air. That means we're going to get back down into the teens tonight as high pressure hangs overhead. When the front does come through, though, the winds are going to pick up in speed, 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then Futurecast shows as we get into Friday afternoon, clouds will be on the increase. Here comes system number 1 of 2 systems that we're going to watch over the course of the weekend. Looks like mainly rain for us. There could be a little mix off to the north of us as we get into the late Friday night, early Saturday morning. I think temperatures will be warm enough to keep it mostly rain for the Bowling Green area. It's the next system after that we're going to keep an eye on. Elevated fire danger today, winds 10 to 20, low dew points, dry brush, all equal. No burning outdoors today at all. That's going to be a high fire danger for south central Kentucky. Sunny, breezy, cold, 33, but it's only going to feel like it's in the teens and low 20s. Mainly clear, very cold tonight. Again, reinforced Arctic air, 14. Tomorrow, 46. We get a warm front that moves through the area, and that's going to help us get into the mid-40s. But by tomorrow evening, it will bring us some rain, mostly rain as mentioned, warm enough to keep it rain for southern Kentucky into Saturday morning. Then we see a partly sunny Saturday afternoon at 52. The next system to watch Sunday, lots of rain at 54, but that rain may end as a winter mix over to snow on Monday. The track of the system still yet to be determined, and how much of anything still yet to be determined. So that's going to be the system to watch Monday, Sunday, and Monday both. Could be some high impactful weather days in parts of our viewing area. So we're going to just watch this and see what develops over the next couple of hours.